Great.
High five, bang.
Woo!
Welcome to the Crazy Club. Chattanooga Skydiving Company, we make smiles. What were you thinking when we stepped to the edge?
I wasn't.
You weren't
I
thinking?
wasn't thinking.
That's
Let's
what
go.
we do in skydiving.
Let's go.
Nice jump, welcome to the club. See you tomorrow, second time. Yeah!